Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get SharePoint site ID or SharePoint URL. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Getting the SharePoint site ID or URL serves several important purposes which are crucial for managing and interacting with SharePoint sites effectively. Alright? Now basically for you to be able to get your SharePoint site ID or URL, all I'm gonna do is quickly escape the full screen and navigate into the bookmarking. All right, now this is gonna be your SharePoint site URL. All right, all I'm gonna do is copy that and send it to anything. Remember that having the site URL allows users to bookmark directly or navigate to specific SharePoint sites without needing to search for them repeatedly. It facilitates sharing the exact location here of a SharePoint site with others, ensuring they can access the site directly. Now, the thing is, SharePoint administrators often need the site URL or ID to perform administrative tasks such as configuring settings, managing permissions, or troubleshooting issues specific to the site. Now, if you wanted to identify your SharePoint ID, all you're going to do is click on the cog wheel icon setting or the gear icon and go to the site information. Here is going to be your site ID or your site name, and if you wanted to change it, it's up to you. All right, this one, and just click on save. Now, the privacy setting would, of course, you can set it to private, only members can access this site, and public, anyone in their organization can access. Once you have decided to change your site ID or get it, copy that or click on save, and that's how you get your SharePoint site ID and URL. Now, obtaining these, of course, is fundamental for effective management, administration, development, integration, troubleshooting, and compliance within the SharePoint environments. It supports a wide range of activities and ensures efficient and organized operations across SharePoint sites. Now, most of the time, people do this to upgrade the SharePoint sites. Our content databases requires precise identification of sites, URLs, or IDs to maintain data integrity and functionality appropriately. During migration projects, identifying the SharePoint site URL as well as the SharePoint site ID is crucial for mapping content and ensuring a smooth transition between environments. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.